Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to your daily XRP update. All right, we'll do a full update. We'll mainly talk about the technicals. I mean, the technicals right now for XRP are the most important. Obviously, we'll touch upon the effects of the fundamentals last night. If you missed it, we had the interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards, which are they did not really shook up the markets, but we did see a continuation of bullish momentum from the dollar strength index, which is bearish for the markets in general. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about what that means and just in general for the market, but also for XRP and what to expect from here. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention, most of you already know, but I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals and more information regarding the markets. There's a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and you receive access to my trading guide, which will allow you to learn how to analyze like me. If that's interesting, check it out. But for now, let's get into XRP. So yesterday we talked about that XRP technically was quite bullish, but that I still expected it to drop down after finding resistance here. All right, and eventually it actually respected the 200 EMA a bit more. Initially, it actually did not respect it that much, but then the second touch, it does seem like it's respecting it now. So now the situation is quite interesting because XRP has also technically broken down below 51 cents right here, which is, I just deleted it off the chart, as you might have seen, but it's a key level. It's part of a bigger area, so it's not a major bearish breakout and also not a full bearish breakout, but still it is a breakout. All right, and what we're also seeing is some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin. So what I would expect, and that's actually pretty much in line with what I expect for Bitcoin right here, but for XRP it's a bit different. But we have to also think about Bitcoin, because if you check this out, then you can see that the correlation is quite high, with Bitcoin at least. So what's happening now is that XRP is going to test its main support, which is right here between, and I'm going to be precise, between 0.5040. That's the main support. All right, so it's going to drop down there after finding massive resistance, and then the big question is, and for that I'm actually going to put that key level back on the chart again now, and I'll actually make it a bit bigger. So this really is the main area. So like I said, we had a minor bearish breakout earlier this morning with the last candle close, got a bearish breakout, a little bit of a retest. Now we're dropping down to that support level. What we're going to see, because the structure of the market really is a little bit like this. Like there's this resistance coming down because of the 200 EMA, and then we have this bullish momentum. I'll say that it's in line with the trend line, but in general it's also just bullish momentum. And one of these two is going to win, all right, and the other one is going to lose, and we'll either have a bearish breakout or a bullish breakout. I think that all depends on XRP's reaction to 50 and 50.5 cents. All right, so that's that 50-40 area. It will drop down there. It will find support there, I think, I assume. But if it's not able to break above 51.3 cents again after, so that's 0.513. If it's not able to break above that after finding support there, then that's actually bearish confirmation, and then it's more likely that XRP will drop back down to 49 cents, which makes the market structure neutral, and then afterwards down to 47 cents is also likely. Depends a bit on what Bitcoin does, but it would be most likely if XRP is not able to break above 51.3 cents again, which would turn it into a bearish market structure. But for now, like I said, it really depends on that on that support, because if XRP finds support at 50.5 cents and breaks above 51.3 cents again, it's bullish, and it will continue going up towards 53 and 54 cents. So it's really waiting on that support. I think it all depends on that for XRP. I'll keep you updated on that, of course, but for now, that's my take. So thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.